Hey, all the good folks over at BASSDASH sent me over some rubber boots. These are 4.5-inch deck boots, 100% waterproof, slip-resistant outsole, soft neoprene lining, kick rim on heels. It's got a little notch on the back of the heels that you can take your other boot or foot and knock that off. Makes it pretty nice. 8mm molded removable EVA insole. I'm going to take a look at these and try them on, see how they fit, and see how water resistant they are, because I got to go out to the mailbox. These are camouflage ones. Look at that. That is a nice looking boot right there. It is the short ones, so you're not going to go wading through the water with them, but working out in the yard or in some shallow water and you don't want to get your shoes wet, this is the thing to use right here. Here's this little kick plate, if you can see that right there. Tag just pretty much goes over everything we just said. Got little airbags inside of them. Make sure you take those out. And it does come with 2 of them. So we're in business there. Trying to be funny. Oh, look at here. Looks like it comes with a little sticker too. That's cool. Little logo with their name brand on it. Get this tag cut off here, and we'll slip them on and try them out. These do have a little bit of an insole right there. That feels pretty good. You can see inside here. Got that insole here. Pretty nice. And in case you couldn't see it a while ago, here's that little kick plate right there. Should be able to see that. And it does have the little grabber back here, and put your finger in there and grab a hold of it to slide that boot on. Oh, that slipped right on. Oh, that's pretty comfortable. Especially for a little rubber boot like this. How's those look? Those look pretty good, don't they? Perfect if you're out having to do some work and you got water you got to go through. It's pretty chilly out here and you can't even feel the coldness through these. There, keep your feet nice and dry and warm. So if you're looking for a pair of rubber boots like these, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value out of this video at all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. Anyway, there you have it. Keeping your feet nice and dry. You don't have to worry about getting your socks wet or your feet wet. Definitely a thumbs up. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.